So as part of 2022, I'm building a new gaming PC. It's finally time to retire my old one and build something completely new. And I got the final part today, so I figured, you know what, it's the last part, let's go ahead and do an unboxing of it. So let's open it up and show y'all what I got. This just arrived today, came straight from Newegg. Ta-da! This is the 10th gen Intel Core i7-10700F. This is the CPU that I decided to use for my new build. In terms of the Newegg prices, they were still doing a holiday sale. When I bought this, it was the best bang for the buck. This CPU starts at 3.9 gigahertz, and it can turbo up to, I believe, 4.8 or 4.9 all-core. This is the F edition, so with this you do not get integrated graphics, so you have to use a GPU, but this is a gaming PC, so I'm going to be using a GPU. But let's open up the box and show you what comes in the package. So opening this up here, up top we have, well, in here we have instructions, but we're not going over that. So here we have the CPU itself in this plastic container. Core i7-10700F, 2.9 gigahertz, yeah. And it turbo up to 4.8 or 4.9. It is a locked chip, so you will not be doing any overclocking with it. And then in the cardboard box, it's an Intel stock heatsink. So this does come with a cooler. You get your CPU and your cooler. I believe this cooler does have the pre-applied thermal compound, so no worries there. But yeah, this is the CPU that I'm going to be using in my new PC. So that's it. I mean, it was just kind of a quick thing, but thank you for watching my unboxing of the Intel Core i7-10700F.